It's more of a prototypical speech.
That's the slow down.
That's me. I'm running the Pennsylvania Steamboat.
Over there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the blue line.
Hold on, I'm gonna get a coupler.
Kate drives too slowly.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I saw yours derail and well, when you're trying to derail.
Pacific Boxcar multi-track.
Wow. Watch out! Watch out, Jack! Jack! Oh, and a big big avalanche of snow came into the track. Oh well.
Oh, we did?
He's not paying attention.
And that's what happens. And that's what happens. And that's what happens.
That ginger, dude. It's $800 worth of cars.
And that's what happens. Well, at least I'm stopping for my passengers, you see. Or did you get it back onto the tracks?
I'm just waiting for it. Where is it?
A big avalanche of snow poured onto the track. You just start to move again. So you got a long engine bullet train.
Oh, the horn is way too low on this. The horn on this locomotive, you can barely hear it. Is there anybody on the blue line right now?
Oh.
See if we can get this out on the track.
Whoa. Oh no, what is going on?
That's all.
See?
Oh no, what is going on? Everything's going wrong. Like what?
So a couple of these I bought.
Oh. Whoa.
Okay.
There's a building stuck to it.
Guys.
There's a building.
Keep the buildings off the tracks, guys.
Away from the tracks. Yeah. Oh, what it did with that? Well, at least it stopped for my passengers.
Yeah, it should sound like that. It doesn't.
That's actually 3 horns.
Like, I think the horns should all be super loud so that you can announce to the other idiots in this club that you're coming.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Why am I shorted? What have we done now? Oh, is it 93 seconds?